Hello there, amazing people. Thank you for being here with me today. Today, I would like to present to you something incredible. This microphone right here, the Shure SM7db. Trying to make sure, whoa, the cable just, we'll see how that sounded, but trying to get everything set up well. Put the cord up there. If I adjust it, can't really hear it, it seems, so that's good. But if I like do this maybe, oh, maybe it's still good. Can hear that a bit, but not really going to be doing that when I'm actually recording. Now, I received this mic a while ago. Guess how much I paid for it, guys? Guess how much? Guess. 100. Sorry if that was loud. 128 bucks. Absolutely insane. So, I don't know. Maybe I need to turn the gain down a bit. Just a tiny bit. Um, yeah, that looks pretty dang perfect. Oh, fly, get out of here. Anyway, I'm using the BM88 Neo boom arm by Fafine. Let's move that maybe a bit there. Okay, so yeah, I think it sounds pretty sick. And all right, that's the end of this test. Have an amazing day. God bless. Bye.